Oh, them boys is not playing down there. Nah, it's over with. It's over with. Damn. That shit was hella fun though.
I love my shoe.
Omar doing this? Hey, that shit was hard. Them niggas is down there working. Whoever the fuck down there is working. Dude in the black shirt for sure, for sure. Who you telling? He whooped my ass twice. Jeez. Man, what your hands look like? My fucking hands is fucked.
I had to do it. I couldn't get no traction. I wore the wrong shoes today.
I'm gonna be on his team next time. Yeah, we finna burn out for sure. I'm gonna see that. Bro, look at that Impala. Fuck, that bitch is nasty. Burnout contest. You ready? Let's get this shit. That's all right. That's all right. It's an old truck. What do you say? Warm it up? Yeah, man. All right, next runner-up, Mustang. Let's get it. All eyes on you. Straighten that bitch back out.
No, we ain't doing no donuts.
We gonna get it right. Hold up. All right, we got some assistance this time. Come on, boy. It's over with. It's over with.
Next.
Moses! It's over with. It's over with, bro.
Turn your traction off. Yeah, you can.
All right, they put water down on this side. This motherfucker was out of there. It's over with. It's over with.
Tell them to come back and you turn the traction off.
Again, Rosie.
It's over with. All right, next runner up. There we go. Yeah. Come on now. Oh, more pushing that motherfucker. Come on, boys.
Sorry.
Man. Come on, man. Hold it, motherfucker. I think it said keep it going. Come on now. You hearing them? Shit. That's what I heard.
Well, I'm be looking like this.
Here we go. Oh man. It's over with. That girl over there?
Yeah.
She said hell no. Tell that Corvette to come on over here.
You gotta get him to redemption.
Oh, he coming back? He went and YouTubed it. He figured it out. He YouTubed it this time. Come on. Oh, come on, boys. It's over with. It's over with. There we go. That's how you do it. Come on! Come on! Yeah! No freaking way, bro. No freaking way. This little motherfucker here is crazy.
Ooh, if he burned out with this, man.
That's crazy. It's over with.
We gotta throw the whole train off.
Yeah, it's over with.
Suspension gone.
Man. That back wheel was jumping like a motherfucker.
Drive train out of there.
Yeah, it's out of there. Damn. Roozy up here. If anybody know Roozy locally, that's this nigga here. Straight clowning. Original straight clowning. That nigga lost a whole tire on that motherfucker, boy. Tire was fucked on that bitch. God damn. You know me, I don't care.
I know you don't.
He up. God damn, this motherfucker. That bitch is a beast. All right, last one. Nigga, drop that bitch. God damn. God damn. That bitch backfired like a motherfucker. nigga fucked his whole radiator up. Shit everywhere. Fluid. Man, I had to come see this bitch because fuck, this bitch is clean. I want to see this bitch lifted. Holy shit, this bitch is nasty. This bitch is nasty. That bitch is laying on the ground, but I want to see that bitch lifted. Texas Toys, McKinney, Texas. Nah, this bitch is clean. Look at this motherfucker. This Regal right here is clean. Huh? They are? Oh shit. Me too.
Los elegimos guerreros, a los amos del terror, los entra en el jardinero.
Oh, he gotta go pee. That bitch is pretty. Look at him. I had to get me some food. Everybody got their food? I'm finna go over here. Y'all good? She got some food. You got some food. Chad got some food. Daughter got some food. We hungry.
No, he got his food and disappeared.
Yeah, little Chad got his food gone. He got the good food. And he got that fish. What is it? Fish boil.
Fish bag.
They got potatoes, crawfish, lobster legs. Migos. This guy.
Really from the bottom. Tell it pussy.
This guy. This you, bro? Holy shit. This guy.
You slick dissing, but that shit line. All they make believe rapping about cocaine. Don't play with me, hope you a whole mind. Hey, you. But I had too much paper. Still, used to front your big brother. Oh, yeah,
that's
Shit jam for what it is. In a box, bro, that hoe was lame. It's all about the box, bro, every time. Yeah. Yeah, every time, bro.
I'm about to recoup my shit now.
Who you telling, bro? Nigga talking about he got 800 watts on there. Them what?
Oh, the arrow. The arrow.
Oh, is that what it was?
Oh, yeah. I was like, what the fuck you talking about? That's a, it has an SS badge though. There's more like
Damn, this tent thing is annoying on my fucking head.
No, the white one's a Caprice. That's on this. That's on that.
We bought a tent and shit just to keep us cool.
Got a cop.
It's working too, let me tell you. Give us some shade in this hot ass weather.
They did a quick boil.
I don't know what the fuck.
I think
I'm done. I don't want to wait.
So we just chilling right now, trying to stay cool in this heat. Good show though.
You can make one.
Truck man over there.
Yeah, you gotta get back off the window.
Oh, this shit nasty right here. God damn. One of them gold things. Boy.
Yeah, I know it's fucking mine.
That bitch got a motor in that bitch too. Damn, that bitch is nasty with them gold things. This nigga talking about we got a roadmaster over here. Where? Nigga, I don't see no fucking roadmaster. Oh my God, how the fuck did I miss this? Fuck me. God damn, bro. It ain't a Roadmaster, Cadillac.
Cadillac, yeah.
Yeah. Cadillac Broham. Jeez, look at this. This is right. This is what I like right here. On them big boy Ruchis. Damn. This shit is nasty.
Yeah.
Nah, this shit is nasty. This nigga on big ass 30s. Jeez. Wildwood brakes on that bitch too. Rugies. Ooh. They rock. Nah, this hoe is nasty. Definitely ain't no Roadmaster, but this motherfucker's a Cadillac. Damn. Wait, this is nasty, bro.
Oh yeah.
Nasty. Pop trunk on that bitch. Nasty. Nigga got popped trunk on this bitch. 30s, 415. This shit is nasty. Nah, this shit is dope, bro. Grind all day, shine all night. Nah, this shit's nasty. Ruzy, what you think about this, bro? On 30s, bro. That shit is nasty. Look at him. He's like been there, done that. No, that shit nasty, man. Super nasty. Definitely one of the cleanest things here, bro. Let me. I'll put your ass on YouTube. Look at these chains, my guy. This nigga here, bro, is not playing. I like that, bro. That nigga's doing it.
They're trying to do something.
That nigga look good. Look at my boy, bro. I ain't seen you in a minute, bro. I ain't seen you in a minute, bro. That nigga killing it. I like that, bro. This all you right here, bro. This imagine if you pulled up in this wearing this. Ooh, this the next thing.
I swear I got a lack over there right now.
And that's it. That's all. Nah, it's dope, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, that whole
I want to get this whole moving on video, bro.
Just listen.
Alright, best audio with the Tim right here. That's who won it. This guy right here. And he won best of show, crowd's favorite, first place mini truck. Oh yeah, this guy killed it. Shit, he did a whole bunch of all these right here. Oh, those are his. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's dope, man. Hell yeah. Good job, Tim.
Thank you.
This is it. The last thing that was here. Nigga was killing it all day. Good job, Tim.
A little bit.
Alright, so listen. This is the issue. You on YouTube now.
Yeah.
This nigga Chad, his amp fucked up yesterday. So, the day before the fucking show, he can't play no bass. Me and this dually and the Buick ain't had no bang all day. That's why Tim won. We came with beast ass builds, and neither one of us was playing the whole fucking show.
Oh, really?
I just want to let these niggas know on YouTube, bro, because it could have been one of ours, but
Could have been, but you know what? It is what it is.
yeah, man, we had a good time, but Now you gotta go back into the laboratory, like I said, man, and just get back at it. Like you said, now you gotta go in there and find the amp.
Yep.
His 8K messed up, so
This is the second time.
damn. Bye bye PRV 8K.
You know what? Now it's time for 10K.
Oh yeah, it's over with. Let's get it. This ain't nothing but motivation all day. All this shit all day.
Right?
Motivation. All right, bro. I'll let you get out of here.
All
right, Chad. All right, brother. All right, man. Yeah, crazy. Both of these damn builds. Well, I ain't tripping about mine. I wasn't gonna really like be in no competition today, no way. Just cause I'm the judge, like that wouldn't have made sense. But Chad, no bass. Tim took that audio trophy home. Most everybody riding out now. Awards is over. Parking lot finna get. I think they running this bitch till 9, honestly. I ain't finna stay for this shit. Look at this guy. Pete Pop's been rolling that scooter all day. Yeah, it's hot in the motherfucker. It's time to go. Tim shut the audio shit down today. From vocals to bass. A lot of good shit here, but only one winner, Mr. Tim. There go Chad. Nigga rolling out. I nigga mad about his amp. I would be too. Gay as fuck the day before show. Let me out, let me out. Good show though, man. Seen a lot of people. A lot of people seen me. Migos. They finna, SA's finna party in this motherfucker. It's Omar shit right here. Bye-bye. Job well done. Time to go home and get out these fucking hot ass clothes. Yep, it's over. A lot of people though. A lot of spectators, a lot of show people. Goodbye.